Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all network issues, network not working, no signal, all these issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, tap on general. Go down, go to transfer or reset iPhone, tap here. Tap on reset. Here you can see reset network settings, tap here. Enter relock password. Then tap on this reset network settings. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, apps, anything. It just reset only the network settings. Tap on this reset network settings. Please wait. Okay, reset operation has been completed. Enter relock password. After this reset operation, we can check network that should work. So this way we can reset network settings and fix all network issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.